Anna too. My nickname is Anna. Today we're gonna come to French fry and burger with Alec brother. With Alec. Alec be brother.
Okay, what do you got?
Onion, meat. I forget what it is.
Mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Okay.
Sauce.
We have ketchup. Alec, why do we have ketchup in a
And
packet?
cheese. We need to put cheese
we ordered
too.
food
Dad,
and
we
we
need
got
to
free
put
ketchup.
cheese
Okay.
too.
Cheese, yeah. What else?
Look, what is this?
Burger buns. That's bread.
That's bread. And this French fry.
Okay. You gonna cook?
What sauce is this? I don't know. I
Mustard.
forget.
Mustard.
Mustard.
Okay, let's cook the French fries.
Okay.
Going in the hand.
เอาให้หมดเลยใช่ไหมเหมือนวันนั้นอะ Alec, turn on the stove. Alec, play.
Anna, we gotta wash the rice. Anna, put rice into here.
Okay.
Put more.
ใส่ให้หมดเลยใช่ไหม
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Let's make a burger patty.
Okay. Okay, open. Hello, wait, we are cook.
Yeah, you're gonna make the patties.
Make the patties.
We're gonna cook.
Yep.
Oh, patty mean cook.
We have 6 buns. We make 6 patties.
Okay.
Yes, like a ball. Like a ball.
Okay. So how we gonna make it be circle? Okay.
Anna, we're gonna chop onions.
Okay.
Okay, I will cut the both sides.
What we need to cut?
Yeah, cut the both sides.
But it has it too?
Cut the
I
both,
don't know. It put it go
both
inside too?
ends.
เองอ่ะ เอาไหม เอามือไปไว้ตรงน้ำริสำบัน
Anna, do you like onion?
No, it's spicy. So spicy for me.
What color is the French fries? Are they finished?
Oh, golden brown.
Yeah, looks like golden brown, but looks like yellow and golden brown. Anna, put the salt.
Okay.
Anna, put the salt.
เดี๋ยวเป็น This one is burger.
Okay.
อันนี้เสียวยังเห็นเกลืออยู่เลย
Wait. Have to turn the burgers and cook the both sides. What? Okay, we cut the biggest one open. Okay, I will cut the white. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cook a little more, but I see it's still cooking, gonna cook inside. Put the salt. A little bit of salt.
อันนี้เป็นเนื้อแค่นี้
Come on. Okay. 6 burgers and 4 cheese.
6 burger and 4 cheese.
We need to split in half.
I see already what are they doing? We're gonna try. Remember everything how to do?
Anna, wait for the cheese to melt.
Okay.
They're done. No, take this to table.
Okay.
This.
Okay, you ready to make the burger?
Yes.
Okay, get a bun.
But what do you need to put
Okay,
that first?
get a bun.
But what?
Mayonnaise. So, this.
อะไรเอาใส่ไว้ข้างบนสุดเลยเหรอ
Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
เอาไปตรงนี้ผักอ่ะไม่สิเอาไว้ข้างบนนี้ดีกว่าเพราะมันมีซอสนี่ I'm gonna put ketchup so first we put ketchup but not first we need to actually what we gonna put first okay
Yes, right?
no
Look.
huh no I don't want to cut like this no
Okay.
you know what every day I eat yeah but wait too small cannot it's big
You want to cut it?
it's big I want to eat it small I cannot eat with my mouth
Okay.
Yes.
I heard cannot burger แบ่งอะ
Okay.
We can make this.
Is it good?
hot I did
Okay.
Thank you everyone. Don't forget to look me on YouTube, my channel too. Okay? Click like and follow me too when you look.